China is about to completely overtake America. Nvidia is the US tech company that specializes in gaming data centers and especially produces the world's most powerful chips for artificial intelligence. And everyone knows that whoever possesses the power of AI is a superpower in the world. Until now, this power was with America because the chips used in AI were only made by America and the whole world was relying on America for AI chips. Pakistan, India, and even countries within China were importing chips from America. Now, since the trade war started between China and America, America has stopped exporting chips to China. Trump's idea was that if he stopped supplying chips to China, then China would fall behind America in the field of artificial intelligence, and this way America could also exert pressure on China. But America might have forgotten that stopping China is not easy. Huawei did what no one had even thought of. They have made a chip that is faster than Nvidia's chips and is also 3 times cheaper. For example, if an Nvidia chip costs 1000 rupees, then Huawei's chip will cost only 300 rupees and its performance is many times higher than America's chips. So the question is, when the world can get an inexpensive, fast and reliable chip, why would they look to America? That is all. The downfall of America has already undeniably begun now.